Hey YouTube kittens! Greetings from Tokyo, this is Cat. I'm excited to find out what we can find inside this Listen flavor lucky bag. I think it was 3,000 yen. Without further ado, let's try and unbox this mystery bag. Let's unpack the Listen flavor bag. Woohoo! Also, if you're wondering, the top I'm wearing right now is also a collaboration with Listen flavor and Sanrio. And it has my favorite character, Cinnamon Roll, on it, but also like the littlest twin stars. They're all cute. Everything. Pastel aesthetics. Pastel aesthetics, yes. Also, have you looked at the bear? I think that bear has got some interesting tastes. Right, let's open! You know what I'm sometimes doing? If I can take like cool brand stickers off, I usually put them on my iPad case. Ah, that works. Look at that. Got a free sticker with it. And this one down here still says Angelique Pretty. We also have a little bow here. It was the first winter at university at zero money. And what I did then is take little straps like this one off and then reuse them as decorations on Christmas cards. So I was really proud of myself for doing that. I'm gonna start here. In the bag is a bag! Oh, hey! Remember how I said I like Cinnamon Roll or the littlest twin stars? Ha! It's the littlest twin stars. It's like as if they heard me and it magically the content changed. It says Listen flavor on one side and has the littlest twin stars on the other. This is one of those shopping tote bags. In Japan, these bags right now are getting sold like crazy because plastic bags you have to pay for, so they're trying to actually push it in Japan that people get less plastic bags and actually buy proper tote bags. This bag, hold on, used to be 3,132 yen, so I got my money for my lucky bag just back with this tote bag. I know what you're thinking. You're saying like, what, 3,000 yen for a tote bag? But hey, it is actually Sanrio branded, so it totally makes sense that it's more expensive. Also, it's only for sale in Japan. So I kind of got my money back in just for the tote bag, but there's like a bag of Baggingtons in here. What are you? Let's find out. Ooh, there's also something I really like. Ta-da! Now, some of you know that I have a lot of chokers. Been kind of collecting them over the last years. So there's a new choker for my collection. This one here is a red one, which is fine because I wear a lot of red, so I'm actually happy about that one. It's one of those pop button ones though. And it has the Listen flavor on a chain. Oh, and guess what? The same chain we have here as a bracelet, and again, it says Listen flavor, and it has, again, a key and lock. Just that there's no key, there's just a lock. This is gonna get added to my fashion choker collection. I do like that it says Listen flavor right here on top. And you can see already, price-wise, I got my lucky bag money straight back in. I actually had one of those in silver before, so now I kind of have it back in my collection, but in black. And again, it says Listen flavor on the lock here. There's more stuff. I like stuff, so therefore more stuff sounds good to me. What are you? Oh my gosh, it's the Powerpuff Girls? Hell yeah! Badges and the Powerpuff Girls. One is a creepy I love Listen flavor creepy dude, and one is the Powerpuff Girls keychain. He's like, I love Listen flavor. And then they look like they're actually there to like punch it out of town. He's like, and they're like, Powerpuff Girl power. But yeah, cool stuff. It actually has Listen flavor right here on the top, which means they have the official licensing for that. Finally! Definitely last one. We have, ta-da! Oop, whoop. It's a phone case. Oh, it's a phone case for the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8. And I have neither of them. But it's hilarious because you know what it says on it? Okay, first of all, let me show you the case. They have this pattern on a lot of their dresses and also on their skirts. So this is very Listen flavor. So you thought this is like a pretty bland case, maybe? And you turn it over. Ta-da! Return of the notorious Watch Out teddy bear. But it has like a zip on the side. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. Oh my god, is this Bear Bear's case? I think I just got Bear Bear's phone case. Does that mean Bear Bear has a phone? Apparently he does. I think he's calling Uber Eats. Don't do it, it's way too expensive. So those were all the items in the Listen flavor lucky bag. I must say getting the money back in, I'm pretty happy. Tote bag, always something I can use. Everything apart from the creepy guy on the little button badge and the phone case. Wait a second, no, the phone case is still getting used. He's still on the call. I'm pretty happy with that one, but you know I've already been wearing and putting on and testing the Listen Flavor Lucky Bag of Clothes. If you haven't checked it out, the video is in the links below and somewhere here or here or here, maybe here. I don't know. It's somewhere. There? Maybe there. It's somewhere. Anyways, bye!